a minute. Whoa. Wait, where did this come from? Yo, whose car is this, Andy?
I didn't steal it.
Wait a minute.
We wrapped it white.
Oh, wait, no, you put a speed body kit on the Veloster, huh?
No, we wrapped it white, dude.
Wait a minute.
We wrapped the speed white, man.
I'm so confused. I could have sworn you were still driving the Veloster.
Nah, dude. That was a Veloster kit on the speed.
Oh yeah, yeah, guys. Andy never totaled this car. That was just like a prop. We just put a Veloster body kit on the speed for a little bit just to test it out. No, just kidding. Andy got another speed. Alright guys, so I was gonna film an edit today, but so my friend Miguel, he's towing my car to Scrapefest because it's not running. So yeah, I wasn't able to fix it, unfortunately. So yeah, you can imagine the mental breakdown I had because of that. But anyways, we're about to roll out. He's gonna flat tow my ass all the way there. So yeah, this is gonna be great. My buddy's pulling me right now. So I guess I can explain a little bit. No power steering. So what was happening was I had a burned valve and I had no compression in cylinder 2. So I had to replace that. So yeah, I replaced the valve. The valve seat was still messed up. So I tried to start the car and obviously it didn't work. Now I know you guys are probably wondering, why didn't you just lap the seat? Well, I tried, but the tool that I bought wasn't big enough. So I was like, you know what, I'll take the chance. Maybe I can just get away with not lapping. I was like, maybe I can get away with not lapping it, right? But obviously I was wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna just stop recording now just because I want to focus on trying to get there without dying. And yeah, I'll just continue the vlog up when we're at Scrapefest. Got it to the show. Bet. Anyways, here's Andy's car, by the way. His speed, he wrapped it again. Looks beautiful. But yeah, people are starting to show up. We got here pretty early, so yeah. But Andy, how committed are we? How committed are we right now?
We towed that thing here.
We towed it here. We towed the jet. That was pretty dope. Damn, so did this guy or what? We need that rig, dude. That's what we needed.
That's what I'm saying,
I know.
Damn, why is that so
Nah, yours looks better.
Then you get a freaking jacket.
Why are the cars so popping this year, dude? Holy shit. That's so much stretch. That's crazy. I haven't seen a Beetle yet.
Last night.
This is dope.
You from Nevada, dude.
Ooh, worky mix. Damn,
That
came from Nevada.
That looks good.
I know, honestly, this. Damn, came from Nevada.
Oh,
though.
it's 11.
Damn, though, he came from Nevada. That's dope. RV20. That's dope. This is the car of the guy who runs Scrapefest. Static. Oh, I was just talking in the video. Yeah, the guy who runs Scrapefest, this is his car. Damn, it's so packed in here. This golf is so dope. R32. I like the wheels, dude. Working mitts. Those are dope. God, this is the kind of fitment I want. Like when you air out and the lip goes, the fender goes between the lip and the tires. Yes.
Hot wheels he had on his dash.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So much.
Oh, those are the Cosmos wheels I really like. They're dope. This interior mad VIP. This thing is just sick in general. Look at these wheels. BMW 740 IL. So I guess the leader of the Utah division of NVS drives this car. Junction Produce. VIP is cool. I want to build a VIP car someday. These are so dope. It's got like mad offset, dude. Rest in peace, dude. You know, I don't know if you guys knew this, but I'm a wheel horse, so seeing that really makes me sad. That sucks.
I got the fucking sticker too.
What? Bruh.
I think as long as you got your car in here, you got one.
That's stupid. Also, I never mentioned this on camera, but I guess they needed to film in more spots, so random ass, ugly ass cars like this. Sorry to whoever owns it, but it's fucking true, and fuck you for coming in here when you weren't supposed to. These people just came in when not when they weren't supposed to, and I guess the staff gave them Elite 50 stickers, which is stupid. So. Yeah, fuck you guys, because most of the people over here didn't get a pass. All these people just parked in here, so fuck you guys. Fuck Scrapefest for not enforcing this properly. But so bad, this hood is dope though. You know, right? They're crazy.
That we own, but
okay.
Damn, fucking Brandon's getting more clout.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture of your car real quick. There's people in the trunk too. Where my buddy Brandon's Cressida. How many people are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people in the car.
You're right.
So we're pretty low right now. The back looks like it's bagged basically.
Sandwich. Oh my god. You mean sit on my lap?
I wish I would have got that.
So we have So Euro in Seattle, but we're also going to do it the day after this show. This will be the first time we bring it to Vegas. So in 2 weeks, we're going to do this Saturday night. We're doing these on Sunday.
Alright guys, so show's pretty much over. It was fun, you know, but low-key kind of whack. Like the VIP parking was kind of ignored again like it was last year, so kind of whack, but oh well, you know. And towing the car home again, so kind of sucked, you know. The car wasn't able to be running, so we had to tow it, and the VIP, like I said, was kind of ignored like it was during the season closer, so it was kind of whack, but you know, I still had a fun time with my friends, I guess. So, and this towing experience was definitely an experience. It was something else, so I'm not really like too disappointed, so it was still fun. I still enjoyed it, so I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens with the car later on. You know, I'm gonna try to get it fixed. Obviously, I'm not gonna be doing this ever. I really do kind of want to get it running by Stance Wars because, you know, obviously that's all the way to Vegas. So I would prefer to get it running. If not, I'll still tow it over there. I'll get like a trailer or something, try to tow it all the way over there. But yeah, either way, still kind of had fun, and hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it entertaining. I mean, this is pretty entertaining to me, at least, just towing my car to a show. So it was still fun. It was still good to at least have the car in the show. So yeah. All right, so I guess I'll just see you guys on the next one. I don't really know what else to say here. So yeah, like, subscribe, and all that, whatever, and see you guys later.